Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Hyundai i40 stock number 6623. This ran from the 9th 2011 to the 2nd 2015. It has a D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front guard no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,